Hi everybody, and welcome back to Better with Brigita. Today I'm making creamy chicken spaghetti soup. And Mark's making fun of me. You're gonna need milk, half and half, or whipping cream, pepper. You probably won't need salt, so that's why I'm not showing it. Creamy chicken soup, olive oil, and the trifecta: carrots, celery, and onion. Thin spaghetti, chicken broth, chicken, cheddar cheese, or sharp cheddar cheese rather, and for your seasoning is going to be Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning packet. All right, I shredded a whole package of sharp cheddar cheese, but I'm only going to need about a cup. So the rest I'm going to freeze like I do with all my other cheeses, and then I have them ready when I need them in the future. We need 2 carrots diced, then 2 celery stalks diced, and then 1 small onion. If you want less. And now our small onion. I kept these 2 leaves on the cutting board because I'm going to use those too from the celery. Those are always good to use in soup. So I'm going to chop those also. Now we're at the stove and we're going to cook our onions, carrots, and celery. So we're going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Now our oil is warm, we're going to add our vegetables. We're going to be adding our dry ranch seasoning mix. I'm only going to use half to start with. And we want to coat all the vegetables with that. Okay. 32-ounce chicken broth, and then we're going to add our soup, cream and chicken soup. I'm going to turn the temperature back up again. We're going to put the lid on and bring it back up to a boil. Okay, while that's coming up to a boil, you're going to decide how much spaghetti, thin spaghetti that you want to add. You could add anywhere from 4 to 8 ounces. So about 1/4 of a box to about 1/2 of a box, your choice. And you're going to need to break it in half. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now while everything else is boiling. And it's come to a boil. I'm gonna give it another stir. And give that another stir. And we're gonna add our chicken. The chicken is just from a rotisserie chicken, and I just tore it up. So you could cube it, or you could just shred it. Now we're going to add the final ingredients. And that's 1 cup of milk, or half and half, or whipping cream. You decide. And 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Stir those. Oh yeah, this is good. I don't think it needs any salt. Delicious.
Come on over here like you love me, baby.
Okay. Ready for soup?
All ready for soup.
Good. Well, I bet you'd never expect to find ranch seasoning mix in your soup.
I didn't know you put it in there.
It's great seasoning. It really makes the soup taste good. So let's go ahead and try some.
Almost need a fork. Oh, you have a fork.
It's soup that's thick enough to eat with a fork.
That's good.
It is good. What's on your plate, Mark?
This is an amazing little delicacy that the lady in the grocery store told me to try. These are cornbread toaster tops. And they're made by Bill Knapp's restaurant. It's we get them locally here in Florida, but they're out of Michigan. I'll put they have a website, but they're amazing. You put them in the toaster, but they're like the most delicious little pieces of cornbread. Of course, Brigita makes cornbread, but these things are pretty nice and sweet.
I've never made them that shape, that's for sure. But you can put them in the toaster.
It's bizarre. They're delicious. Amazing.
So we're having that with our soup tonight.
Thanks for making this.
You're welcome.
Kinda
Well, we're
takes
going to
the-
enjoy our soup. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, the recipe will be in the description box as always. Take care.
Happy New
Bye-bye.
Year. Delicious. Want a bite? Really good.
It's nice and sweet.